The name of our company is Semplastics, and we've been in operation since 2000. We produce plastic parts for semiconductor equipment. Those components go into cell phones and computers, and so we make parts that help people make the chips that drive pretty well most of modern life. These parts are used primarily in chemical mechanical polishing. So in this wafer, so these parts hold a wafer. In this case, this is a 8-inch wafer, and this, when you slice it up, this is what ends up in your calculator or your cell phone or your computer. And this particular part here is one that's metal coated. So this would be a way to get the temperature even higher, and so this is a project that we're working with Space Florida on. We have our new division is XMatte, and what we're doing is it's sort of the future of our company, and we're taking coal and we're putting it with special chemical formulation, and we don't burn the coal and we make something that doesn't burn. And we won a DOE grant, Department of Energy grant for phase 1, and we're making roof tiles, believe it or not, out of coal and our proprietary materials.
So what we are doing here is we're comparing our XMatte cold core composites to other standard roof tile materials. So one way we can do that is to look at the three-point bend test. And this will show how much load we're putting onto our bar down here. So that one broke at about 43 pounds. So as you can see, we have made it to about 2.5 times the Miami-Dade hurricane certified ceramic materials that they use for roof tiles, and it's still not breaking.
One of the ASTM tests that are done with roof tiles is its resistance to fire. Typically, that would be like hot embers, etc., going on top of the roof. Certainly, against a roof tile, this thing's already bubbling and basically burning. Okay, didn't take much at all. The next one is a rubber sample from a tile up in New York. And didn't take very much at all. This is somebody else's method. This is just part of what's called a barrel tile. It's an S-shaped tile. And that doesn't take much. This guy here, which is our XMatte material, I've run this up to 1400 degrees Fahrenheit to where it's glowing red like metal, and nothing happens to it.
The target market really is for coal roof tiles, and so we're going to work with, believe it or not, people in Appalachia to produce and manufacture these roof tiles while we're doing the development at Research Park and in Seminole County. Our partnership with UCF Incubator has been fantastic. They have a wet lab that we can use with fume hoods, and they handle the engineering, health, and safety, so it's been really fantastic. Plus they help you with some of the business issues in starting up various ventures, so it's a fantastic resource.
For more information about Seminole County economic development, visit businessinseminole.com. And for more information about Semplastics, visit semplastics.com.